Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. In yesterday's video, I highlighted several major short liquidation clusters sitting above the current price action. These hot zones were located at 118.8K, 121.3K, and 124K. Today, checking the 3-day liquidation heat map, we can see that the 118.8K level has been cleared. However, as the price moved towards the next target at 121K, it was rejected after peaking at just above 120K. Currently, Bitcoin is consolidating around 118K. This level matches the lower horizontal support of the cleared red-hot box, visible on my chart. It is acting as a temporary floor after the recent rejection from higher levels. If we now switch to the 1-day liquidation heat map, we can see that the hottest remaining zone on the map sits at 117.2K. It is possible that we could witness a quick pit stop to this level before the next leg up begins. However, this dip is not guaranteed. I am still holding my long trades. My entries are spread across 117.6K, 117.9K, and 120K. Based on current market structure, I remain confident that Bitcoin will attempt to reach the 121K zone again, and after that, target 124K to print a new all-time high. In other news, a Freedom of Information Act request revealed that the U.S. Marshals Service is currently holding 28,988 Bitcoin valued at approximately $3.45 billion. However, on-chain analysts have clarified that this number only accounts for forfeited Bitcoin. In reality, the U.S. government controls nearly 200,000 Bitcoin, as large holdings are also kept by agencies such as the FBI and the IRS. This has sparked renewed discussion about potential confiscation risks and the true size of government reserves. Also worth mentioning, the Smarter Web company, a web design firm based in the United Kingdom, has just announced another large Bitcoin purchase. They acquired 325 Bitcoin for around $36.45 million at an average price of $112,157 per coin. Their total holdings now stand at 1,600 Bitcoin, which places them among the top 25 public Bitcoin treasury companies globally for the first time. I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.